Hello guys and welcome to my channel. ChatGPT. Here is my question. Could this be the end of IT jobs? I don't know if you have come across this. So let me show you something very disturbing. I don't know how far we're gonna wait for this, to prove such that IT jobs could be at risk. I have no idea. This is my question. Just give you an honest opinion, okay? So let me go look for a code. I will start with how to create a responsive website. Okay. And let's wait for an answer. You can see it will give you a detailed information on what to do. Okay, as you can see, wow, 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 wow. Wow. So let's see if you can get a code for a responsive website. So I will go for a code. Okay. So let's go for that. Here is an example of a simple HTML page that uses a grid-based layout and media queries to create a responsive design. As you can see, it gives the code as well. So you could go for any code and then you might get or maybe you might get an exact answer. Wonderful. 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 So this is a simple HTML. Okay. So let's see. I will go ahead and copy it and then paste that on my code editor code and see if this actually works. Okay. Wow. Wow. Artificial intelligence in action. Okay. So let me go ahead and copy this code. I will go for copy code. Then I will go get my code editor. Okay. I will paste that code here. So this is the code that the application generated for us. Okay. This is the code it generated for us. So let me go ahead and right click and go for open with live server so that we can view the code. So this is what we have. Let me see. Let's see. So let's see if this is actually responsive. I will right click and go for inspect. So let me this is the first one I actually got from ChatGPT. So if I right click this and go for open with open with live server, you can see what we have, my responsive website. So if I right click and go for inspect, so let's see if that goes well. So I will keep on reducing it to dimension 438 by 645, you can see it is responsive, as you can see. Wow. 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 That is amazing. So with ChatGPT, I think you could literally get an answer to a question, or an answer to your question, or answers to your questions, as the case may be. So that is it for this. But I would like to know what you think about this application. Okay. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.